And we're back, guys. I had to go get another PCI power cable because I didn't want our daisy chain off the one. It's a modular power supply, so now we're using a ribbon cable for the second, because we just went from a 100-watt card with a 1 6-pin to 150-watt with 2 6-pins. Anyways, yeah. 150-watt Fermi. I think it's like 760 core clock or something. Not real impressive, but plug our fan in. Why is there so many RGB plugs? No one needs you. Come on, eyeballs. Make sure you get everything lined up before you shove it in. And if you get it modified like I do, don't push on the heat shroud or the shroud, because it'll just break. But I think we're good to go there. Yep. I'm just going to put one screw in it. Man, I'm a real big fan of this Cougar case. I might go back to my old one actually. Now hopefully the Fermi core doesn't burn up before the fan kicks in. And there we have it. And before any of you wonder if I was grounded, yes. Anyways, now I'm just going to set up the wires and stuff, and we'll be back in the next video. Whew, getting nervous. Hopefully it doesn't fry anything. Oh man. Look at that beast. I think the 1650 is actually smaller and put off less heat too. The technology's come a long way since 2012. Alright, I'll be back later.